What's going on, everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Coolwallet S by CoolBitX. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have the Coolwallet S here. It's completely wrapped up here. I actually paid for this with my own money, so this is a very raw and authentic review. Okay, so really nice case. Man, that is beautiful. Look at that. It has a nice little letter to us. It says, "The invention of blockchain technology offers an enormous opportunity to transform the world and improve lives. We feel responsible for driving and protecting the growth of this technology and thus offer you our innovative solutions. The future is calling and we wish to join the adventure with you." Michael O., CoolBitX CEO. Okay, so first impressions. The wallet is super thin, definitely like a, thinner than a credit card. It actually reminds me kind of a library card. So anyway, we have the wallet, got a nice little sticker right here as well. This is going to be something important. It's your recovery card. So this is what you're going to write down your recovery phrase. Oh, it actually has 2 recovery cards. That's nice. And then of course it has the power adapter and the charger. So that's it, everything you get in the box. Once you have it out and charged, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the App Store. It's CoolBitX, just like that. So you type that in, and this is the app you want, CoolBitX Crypto. So we're gonna get that. Something I'm noticing is this button is actually a little bit more difficult to push than I thought it would be. Okay, please pair, connect. It says it's connected, press button. That time it was easier to press. Paired. So from there, we're gonna create a wallet. Create, we're actually gonna do it just by app. I'm gonna save it as an image file. All right, and so we've backed it up now. Create a wallet. All right. So this is my wallet here, and I wanna set up a new wallet. So I'm actually gonna pull this over here. One of the reasons I got this wallet was because it's ERC20 certified, which means it's Ethereum request for comments certified, which is really important for tokens. So if you haven't heard of the XYO show or the XYO network, we have content on our channel called the XYO show. So make sure you jump to our channel and you can check that out so that you can learn more about XYO, which is the whole reason that I got this wallet in the first place. So to set up a wallet for that, you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go down to, I believe, coin display, and then you're going to add one, and you can actually just search it here, XYO, and then I'm just going to turn on the XYO Oracle. Boom, and that means it should be displayed when I go to my wallet here. Boom. Let's jump in and review it a little bit more. You saw my first impressions, definitely cool and sleek. It's small enough to fit in your wallet. So we'll talk about some of the other factors that are very important as to usability and things like that. So the important thing about this is a cold storage wallet, which means it's not linked to an exchange. There's a lot of value in that because, one, you don't have to worry about the site getting hacked. The exchanges in the past, we've had that happen where they get hacked and people lose a ton of cryptocurrency. So with the Coolwallet S, you don't have to worry about that. Now, the other factor of that is with cold storage, normally it's like a USB or a hardware device that you have to plug in somewhere and manually take it off. So the usability there is it's not easily accessible. The Coolwallet S, CoolBitX wanted to bridge that gap between safety and convenience. And that's what they did here. So basically it connects via Bluetooth to your cell phone. Then it also acts as a cold storage hardware device. So it really minimizes, if not completely eliminates, the ability for hackers to get in. And once again, I already mentioned it's ERC20, so that's really important for me. Ethereum request for comments means it's able to use special tokens like utility tokens like the XYO network. Let's talk about the durability. So the very first thing is it gonna break? It's very thin, just like a credit card. It's not quite like a credit card though. The website does say that it can bend 15 degrees. They don't recommend trying it. So a credit card can bend comfortably about 30 degrees. So it's not quite the same as a credit card. So there's obviously electronic parts in there. It's not going to be quite the same when it comes to the bending. Now, if it's in your wallet, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Or if you're not carrying it around all that often, you're just taking it out to the store with you or anything like that, I wouldn't worry too much about that. The second thing, the Coolwallet S is waterproof. The website also says it doesn't recommend having it under the water for over an hour. Obviously, you're not going to want to stay in the water with something like that for an extended period of time. The website also says that you don't have to worry about magnets when it comes to using the Coolwallet as far as household magnets go, but it does recommend that you don't use like electromagnets or any high-powered magnets. I'm guessing probably would potentially cause an issue, just like it does with any electronics. You don't want to be around magnets all the time. And then one other thing, as far as heat and cold goes, so it can withstand up to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So below freezing, which is great. The only problem I would say is, if you're living in like Montana or Idaho or something crazy like that. I've been in Montana where I saw negative 47 degrees without wind chill. So if you're in that situation, you're probably gonna wanna leave your Coolwallet inside. But other than that, should be okay. Now, I really wanted to get down to the brass tacks of it. Can I trust the Coolwallet with my cryptocurrency? Best part about it is, if the Coolwallet is broken, it can be recovered with that key phrase that you set up with your wallet. And then second, this is the most important thing, CoolBitX backs the Coolwallet with a 1-year warranty. That really calmed all of my fears. Obviously, it's not a toy. I'm not going to be out there smashing it with a hammer or letting kids play with it. It's a tool for me to be able to access my funds very quickly and also keep them safe at the same time. Last question is, Chris, do you recommend it? I give it 2 thumbs up. I think it is, as far as hardware wallets go, it's very affordable for the usability that it gives. They back it by the 1-year warranty. It's waterproof, it's heat proof, it's magnetic proof. It's a very great product for what you're paying for. So there you have it. That's the Coolwallet S. Click the link down in the description and that'll take you to the website to get your own Coolwallet S. Also, if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notifications so that you get updates as I come out with more videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.